we gonna get out of here, huh? We've been here forever. And I mean, there's just so much snow. We're never gonna get out, are we? No, we have to. I have to save everyone. Please tell me you know something we can do. At least one thing. Well, I mean, not really. Wait, I know what to do. I think I know what to do. Well, do it then. Now! Quick! We don't have time. Okay, that was a disaster. I'm gonna call Ava now. Hey, Snowy, what's going on? You doing good? Yeah, Ava, I need some help. By the way, how many people have you rescued? Like, how many towns exactly? Well, 2? Wait, did you just say 2? There are 10 places here, and you've only rescued 2? Look, it's hard with the blizzard, okay? I mean, we'll get to your area eventually, though, okay? Please hurry. I'm trying, alright? So, I guess I'll hopefully be there soon. Okay. Do you know how long it'll take? Not really, no. Well, bye. What am I gonna do? Today's a good time to put on the news. Let's see what's going on about that blizzard. So, it kind of turns out this is going to be one of the worst blizzards we've ever seen. Very unexpected. They told me it wasn't going to be that bad. Now she's in danger. What do I do? I can't do anything. I'm just going to have to hope she's okay. So, how are you doing back there, miss? I'm doing fine. Okay. She has got a cold. Oh my god. Alright, here we are at the library. Ow! I ran into a wall. Ugh, this blizzard. I'm going too crazy about this. I'll go in. Alright, here's the library. Let's check the shelves. Hopefully I can find a book or something. I don't know. That was the last shelf, and there's nothing. Wait, what about that one door that I saw when I came in? Maybe there are more books in there or something. Yeah, I'll go check it out in a second. Yeah. Alright, here's the door.